In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Bluehost website. Whether you're looking to start fresh or you simply don't need your website anymore, this guide will walk you through every step of the process to ensure you do this easily and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in to your Bluehost account manager. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bluehost website. In the top right corner, you'll find the Login option. Click on that, and then enter your account credentials to sign in. It's important to ensure you're using the correct account that hosts the website you wish to delete. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the Bluehost dashboard. Here, you'll find several sections, but focus on the one labeled Websites. Click on it to reveal a list of all the websites you currently have under your Bluehost account. Scroll through this list until you identify the particular site you want to remove. Once found, click on the Manage button associated with this site. After you're directed to the Management section of your chosen website, navigate to the Settings tab. Clicking on this tab will open up a range of options you're able to configure for your website. What we're interested in today, however, lies in the Advanced section. So, go ahead and keep an eye out for that. Within the Advanced section, you'll find the option to delete your site. Here, your next steps will depend on the type of website you're working with. If you're deleting a WordPress installation, you'll see an option labeled Remove WordPress. Clicking on this will initiate the deletion process for WordPress-based sites. However, if your website isn't a WordPress installation, look for an option simply labeled Delete Site. Once you click on this, a prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm the deletion. It's crucial to proceed carefully here. To confirm, you'll need to accurately type your domain name into the provided field. This step is designed to ensure that the deletion is intentional and prevents accidental removal of the wrong site. And there you have it. Once completed, your Bluehost website should be permanently deleted. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so please be certain this is what you want to do before proceeding. If you're curious about creating a new site or exploring other hosting options afterward, Bluehost provides tools and resources to help you get started quickly. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this instructional video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.